Hi there, upgrade your kitchen with the Misen Premium 12-piece nonstick cookware set that features a long-lasting nonstick coating for easy cooking and quick cleanup. Say goodbye to stuck food with these 8, 10, and 12-inch pans designed to outperform expensive alternatives. Perfect for tricky cooking like omelets and fish, the nonstick surface makes every meal effortless. Built tough, these pans maintain their nonstick magic for years, helping you become a kitchen pro. The flat bottom and cool handle design ensure smooth, comfortable cooking every time. Plus, their sleek look and easy cleanup make them a stylish and practical addition to your kitchen. Cook smarter and enjoy hassle-free meals with Misen's Nonstick Cookware Set. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.